Hi, this is Games with Phonics, buvana 9, part 1B. This is actually practical parts we are just doing. It's a fun. Anyway, excuse me. This is tea time, play time, lunch time, dinner time. There's nothing like that. It's a simple fun within the house to enjoy your children. They are your treasure, real treasure for you. Let's start the game. We have done splitting any word in part 1 practically. I have showed you. Though I have showed earlier Games with Phonics, buvana 9, the main and the part 2 and all that. Now here in the part 1 I am just showing you only the practical, how you can do it at home. So what we do is now, if you want to introduce the sounds, you just split the letter words, any words around. You didn't choose the words, any word, whatever they can, and you just did it. Now what we are going to do, the most important game is playing with vowels. But going for the vowels is not necessary, the letter is, but still you can say like, you know, or like apple, a. It's not necessary, you need a letter also. And, a, arrow, a. So, shall we join all the other letters with a and see? What do we hear? Ma. So, a, la. Fa. Na. Sun. Sa. Rain. Ra. So joining with vowels is very, very important. That is a basic game. Now once they know how to join ma, la, fa, no need to bore them. Go for the next one. I'm going to give you the sound. Can you break it for me? La, 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 ra, ra, ba, ba, ba. Keep doing this. With each vowel we will be doing, and again you can mix two vowels together once you do two vowels. Like, let's see, orange. What sound do we hear? O. Oil. What sound do we hear? O. So this is O. Shall we now join with O and play? Okay. O, mo. O, lo. O, ro. S. Now they become little bit quicker because they know what's happening. Now I'm going to give you the sound. Can you break it for me? To. O, to. Ko. O, ko. Ro. R, o, ro. No. O, no. Oh, this is here. Now what? I'm going to give you both. Shall we play with a and o together? So a and o together we are going to play. Now let's say a, ma, o, mo, a, la, o, lo. So I'm not going to give all the sounds now because it will be too much, but do one vowel at a time, joining, then splitting, then another vowel, then both together, then later on you go for the third vowel. So it's a fun. You keep enjoying, because this is a basic thing. This is what helps them to understand the sounds, how it joins, how to form the sound. So it's not necessary they need to know the letter. Don't waste your time. Enjoy wherever you are. That's a real fun for you. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.